Alright, today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be showing you a quick tip for Blender. I know I'm a newbie, but I'm going to go into a new general tab, or general file, to start it off with. And I was always looking at, like, this grid is just so hard to see. Like, I scroll out, and then it's just where I could barely see the big block. So the way I fixed this, or at least I figured out not fix it, make it more preferable for me, was to go to Edit, Preferences, 3D View Port, my bad, sorry, and go to the grid, because this grid, right here, changes the color of that grid, but you're like, oh, it doesn't look that bright. I'll just change the alpha. It adds a little more tone, because I think bringing in the alpha, like, makes it more, what do you call it, transparent. So I guess when you bring it all the way up, it shows more of the layout, which is good and like a lot, easier on the eyes to see it like that. But, like, well, it's still hard to see. And I was trying for a good while to figure out where this, the other selection was in the edits. And I went down, all the way down, and then a lot of resets, by the way. Theme space, nope, it's none in there. So I was like, I thought, background, nope. Background type, single color. So this is a single color. You can have it as a, gradient or vignette. Where that's the gradient high or off, so it's off right now. Or gradient low. And right now, it shows this as gray, and I was like, I wonder what that does. Wait a minute, what the heck? Ah, this stupid monitor, what is it doing? It's freaking glitchy, are you serious? What the heck is this? Now, why is it bringing me to Amazon? Boy, what stupid, God. Stupid monitor. Get back to the video. Okay, here we go. Now that I'm back to the video, so I went to the gradient high, gradient off. So I get the gray tab to match the background. So we scroll up and down to see it change the value of the color. And what I like to do was just change it like a little bit to black, so now you can see the bigger squares more, make it more visible for your eyes, because otherwise it's just hard to see. It's much easier to see now, at least for me, but probably not for other people. But like if you see it like that, it's a lot better. Sorry for that weird, monitor glitch or stupid thing that's just a hunk of junk. Must be Siri just trying to sell you something.
View Siri not available.
Oh, regardless, I just wanted to show you that quick tip or a quick way to make the grids more visible to help you guys in Blender. I'm a newbie, but I just want to be able to see these so I can actually, this scale out properly. But regardless, I appreciate your time and have a good day.